post a review in a Facebook business page? In the ABCDs of giving and asking to grow your business, to give a recommendation or review plays a very important role. So see in this video how you can easily post a review on a Facebook business page. So you just have to go to the Facebook business page you want to give your recommendation and click on the reviews on the menu on the left. Then you have to confirm that you want to recommend that business, and this will open you a new window where you can write your review. Then you just have to click post. Then you can see how the review looks like. If you want to do any edits on it or delete it, is very easy. You just have to click these three little dots over there. Click on delete. Even if you only want to edit, you have to click first here on delete, and then you will have the option edit here. You do the edits that you like to do, and then you click save. You check again if everything is as you like, and you are done. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. And if you are a member of Tech Tips for Coaches, you have detailed tutorials with step-by-step instructions and screenshots on how to do this, and many, many other resources there. Learn, impact, and enjoy. This is Anna Malikian, the founder of TechTipForCoaches.com.